Welcome. In this video, we'll go step by step through how you can prevent animations and chats on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you've noticed moving effects in your conversations and prefer a cleaner, distraction-free look, this simple process will help you turn them off in just a few clicks. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're on the main home screen where you can see your chats. From here, look toward the very top left corner of the window. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and click on those lines to reveal the main menu. Once the menu expands, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. Select it to enter the Settings panel. Inside Settings, you'll see several categories, but the one we need to focus on is called Battery and Animations. This is where Telegram allows you to manage how the app looks and performs. Click on Battery and Animations, and inside, you'll see a set of options related to how visuals and effects appear in your chats. Among these options, you'll find one that specifically says Animations in Chats. This is the setting responsible for all those moving effects inside your conversations. To turn them off, simply disable that option. This will instantly stop the chat animations from showing up on your screen. After you make this adjustment, don't forget to save your changes. At the bottom of the settings screen, click on the Save button to confirm. Without saving, Telegram will keep the animations running, so this step is essential. And that's it. You've now successfully prevented animations inside your chats on Telegram for PC with the new update. From this point on, your conversations will feel smoother, cleaner, and less distracting. This change can also help your computer run the app a little more efficiently. A nice bonus if you have multiple chats active. So if you enjoy a simpler layout without the extra motion effects, this quick tweak is the perfect solution. Go ahead and give it a try and enjoy a more focused Telegram experience on your PC.